Right, in this video, do you remember last time when I took the wheel off, I noticed a couple of these are slightly worn, so I went and bought some new ones. And this package, I think it's £20, and it comes with locking wheel nut, their version of it. That's quite a simple one, isn't it? I'm going to keep the old board one there. But if you notice, as you're trying to undo it, as I'm putting the 19mm, that's nice and tight. But on this one, I noticed that as I put this in there, there was a bit of give on some of the nuts. Whatever you do, and then when I took the nuts off, they were rounded off at the corners, the edges here, I mean. What you do is change them. Don't wait until they go rusty, so one day, as you do it, it rounds off, because that is a nightmare job. Alright, please make a comment if you don't agree. If you agree, hit the like, subscribe button if you're not really subscribed. Thanks for watching. And I'm really scrutinising these. The depth of that slopey bit, slightly less. And also, but look how much it wears. Also, the depth of that is way off. I don't think I would use those. See that? There's probably could be as wide, but not quite on. Thing is, check in there. See that? See in there? There's two I've discovered. Make sure you do things like, be pedantic. What the heck is this? A swath. That's going to ruin your day, isn't it, when the thread crosses over. So, build quality in some of these things is just, what I'm going to say, just crap. Alright. Where we can see it. There it is. I'll dig that out. And I'm putting that on with it, like that. Obviously, when I put the wheel on, I will shake it, see if there's any plane in the wheels, and I'll keep all the old nuts in case there's trouble. Alright.